Hello, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is November 25, 2024, and it is Thanksgiving week in the US. We are getting ready to send Tellor Layer to audit next week. So this week we'll be really busy doing the final touches and doing one last code review before it goes to the auditors. With that, let's get started. Tim, how's everything with the bridge and layer?
Good. Yeah, I'm working on a bit of a security. Oh, I'm rate limiting how many data reports can be aggregated in a single block, just to make sure no one can fill up a bunch of blocks with reports and then get them all aggregated in one block and halt the chain. Yeah, so that's just a little security measure that we found that we ought to have in our chain. So yeah, I'm working on that. And yeah, the bridge side of things should be good to go. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm working on.
Awesome. Dan?
I'm writing a test with the interchain test suite for what Tim talked about to see what happens with the aggregations.
Thanks, Dan. Spuddy, how's our testnet going?
Looks like it's going great. I'm working on the, bridging TRB back and forth to Sepolia and gonna get the relayer to Cosmos Hub working again. Still need to get a Hermes relayer to Osmosis also. If we want to do that. But basically also, in the process of doing the more complicated checks, all of the easier checks are getting done too.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy. Ryan, how's our front end looking?
Yeah, for the Block Explorer, I'm still needing to, there seems to be a disconnection with which RPC node is showing for which monitors. So it looks like it resolved itself, but I'm going to just go in and double check and make sure it doesn't happen again. And then I'm working on the integrated data feed on the Block Explorer as well.
Thank you. And then Nick, you started your code review last week. Anything new that you found interesting?
No, but for the call, the other thing, if you guys want to go read my article we posted last week, super good. It's on basically how to provide oracles for the long tail assets, or like the small meme coins or assets that don't actually have sex listings, because that's like mostly what we do. It's like the hard stuff. So that's a good article. Posted a deep dive last week too. I think that was last week with True Markets. That one, super fun if you're interested in prediction markets, and they use like an enshrined oracle, they call it. But they like rebuilt a Tellor type system within their own prediction market, which is super cool. And then I got another deep dive coming this week. I'm doing Progma Oracle, which is a ZK Oracle. So they're like tightly linked with the Starknet community. So it's always good.
They are, but now they've expanded.
I know, and that's why I'm excited to talk to them. So yeah, that'll be super good. I had him on a year and a half ago, something like that, Mateo. So gonna be catching up, just chilling, having a good time, and then talking code. So that's it for me.
Mike?
Hey guys, sorry, working with the cold over here. Yeah, I'm good. I'm going to be working on some teaser material for Chickamauga, the next test net, and our announcement's ready to go there. Yeah, not much else to report. New logos up on Etherscan. That's pretty cool. still working on them to update some of our. We still have some pretty old information stuff in our token description on Etherscan that somehow slipped through the cracks, but working on updating those. No time is like the present for that kind of stuff, but yeah, I'm good. Other than that,
Well, thanks, Mike. Also, all of the recordings for the Blockchain Oracle Summit and the Unstable Summit are out. So if you guys are interested, go watch them. It was a really good time and we learned a lot. So they should be useful. Anyway, thank you so much for listening to us, and we'll see you guys next week.